Well, this is just a short, and the videography's not very good at that. But I just wanted to let you know what I was doing today. What am I doing today? Well, hubby didn't want to drive in the snow, so we skipped church. I was organizing my seed orders. I've ordered from Baker Creek. I have a burpee thing. I'm thinking about ordering some stuff. Oops, you see my toes. Okay, but I thought maybe I'd check in my local stores and see, because I think they pretty much have burpee stuff, and I check and see if perhaps the price is cheaper or at least the same at some of my local stores. What I was needing was some labels so that as I plant things, I know what they are. Because I've used my very small supply of popsicle sticks. I ordered all kinds of, I haven't ordered anything out of these, but I ordered to get them so that I could look through them. I noticed their prices are a lot higher than Baker Creek. And this other one was burpee. Just to see if I can find the front. I had it open to the page that I wanted. There we go. There's the front. Okay. And the other place that I've ordered stuff from is Am I Gardener. So I've got all my receipts here. And I started, well, you've been kind of following my indoor garden, but I started my outdoor garden indoors. And what I did was plant some, and I think I showed you this in previous video, cauliflower, broccoli, and some kale. So I planted it on February 5th, and I believe I can plant it outdoors on like April 2nd or 9th. That's before the last frost date, but according to what I'm reading, that's okay with broccoli and kale. I think I can do that with some lettuces too, maybe in the middle of April. We'll see. I'll do a little more research. But I printed out all of my receipts. I just last night ordered some more stuff from Am I Gardener. And let's show what I did with my receipt from there. It's here somewhere. Oh, and I'm waiting for some peat pots that I ordered. I ordered those from, does it say on here? Oh, I forgot. I was hoping it said on here. Oh, here's my Am I Gardener order that I just ordered last night. I ordered some holy basil and black Russian sunflower, tiny Tim tomato, stevia, milkweed, bee balm, spinach, lemon balm, squash, more spinach, and a coneflower, echinacea. So I should be getting that. Oh, what did they say? It ships in 3 to 5 days or something like that. So I should be getting it today. Last night was Saturday. In about a week maybe. Depends on, part of it will depend on the weather. We are still snowing, as you see in the big little snippets that I put with this. Well, that's all for today. I think I'm gonna spend the day watching TV and just being lazy, because after all, it's Sunday, the day of rest. I did, even though we skipped church, I was able to go on my TV. I have a smart TV, so I clicked on Facebook and was able to watch my pastor give his message on my TV through Facebook, because they do Facebook Live every Sunday. For the message only, I wish they'd do it for the music, but there would be copyright issues if they did that. So just for the message. So if any of you want to listen to the messages from my church, it's Pendleton Free Methodist Church. And my pastors, both my senior pastor and my youth pastor, preach good messages. I liked today's because it was telling us that it doesn't really matter so much which denomination we go to. We're all brothers and sisters.
Do you remember what I paid for that?
So with that, remember this is God's day. It's Sunday. And I hope that in some way or another you were able to worship. Happy gardening. Until next time, God bless.